The BJP today launched a scathing attack on Congress Thiruvananthapuram MP Shashi Tharoor for allegedly defaming India at a Pakistan stage. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor had virtually appeared at the Lahore Literature Festival and pulled up the Modi government over its handling of the COVID pandemic. During the address, Tharoor has said that he raised several issues to the Prime Minister of India, starting from the time President Donald Trump visited India in February all the way to the Tablighi Jamaat event. He sought validation for Rahul Gandhi, saying former Congress president had alerted the Modi government about the pandemic, but the Prime Minister failed to act upon it.
Actually, it's paradoxical that the government in India is not doing well, and people realize they're not doing well in terms of managing COVID, whereas the government was not only complacent, the following month they invited President Trump for a grand reception in Ahmedabad and brought him to Delhi and made a huge fuss about him with lots of crowds lining the streets. All of the stuff that you're not supposed to do if you want to prevent contagion.
हिंदुस्तान ने नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में किस प्रकार से अपने आप को सुरक्षित रखा, किस प्रकार से हाईएस्ट रिकवरी एंड लोएस्ट मोर्टेलिटी अगर कोविड को लेकर पूरे विश्व में है तो वो हिंदुस्तान में है, किस प्रकार लगभग 150 देशों को हाइड्रोक्सी क्लोरोक्विन पहुंचाने का काम हिंदुस्तान की सरकार ने मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में किया, उसके बावजूद इस प्रकार का स्टेटमेंट देना कि इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हैज फेल्ड, वह भी लाहौर में। आप सोचिए किस प्रकार की मनस्थिति कांग्रेस पार्टी और राहुल गांधी जी के अनन्य मित्र शशि थरूर जी की है।
Now let's take a listen to the exclusive reaction from Congress MP Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Here's what he said.
Our objective is to save the common people of our country. It does not matter whom and how and where we are speaking about. The reality is always meant for reality. By denying the reality, you cannot reach the objective. And it is the strategy of the BJP party always to resort to the whipping boy Pakistan, Pakistan, Pakistan. Only to hoodwink the common people from the stark reality. Government has been failing miserably in containing the pandemic. Congress party is the only party who has defended the India from all odds, who has been pioneered the agitation to make India independent. That should not be forgotten by anybody whosoever. So we should be given homilies of how to project India in the Committee of Nations.
Cutting across to Kamaljeet Sandhu joining us live for more. Kamaljeet, here is Shashi Tharoor, Congress MP, who condemns India on the international stage. And it's not just any other country, it's Pakistan. While India and Pakistan's ties are quite strained at the moment, India has cut off all business with Pakistan. Here is Shashi Tharoor attending Lahore Literature Fest. Take us through what's been the reaction politically so far.
Well, the COVID-19 debate has degenerated into cacophony, especially after Shashi Tharoor went to Lahore Literature Festival. This is virtually. It's not what he just said, but what he said to a Pakistani platform, a social media platform, and that's how it was relayed. This is where it does seem that the BJP has not just drawn ire, but it's also reacted very sharply. We saw Sambit Patra reacting to it, the way Modi government was criticized in terms of its handling of COVID management, in terms of economy. There were questions which were raised on China. Then there were issues which were related to the CAA. So all this has obviously come at a time where BJP has now taken on the Congress party. The Congress party, we saw and heard Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary speak, they're not really backing off. They're saying, okay, yes, we are taking on Modi government because this is what the failure really is. There is a claim coming in from the BJP that it's been managed very well, that not only did we manage COVID very well within the country, but we also helped some of the Western countries deal with COVID management. So clearly a war of words has begun, but obviously the draw is on Shashi Tharoor's comment and the fact that he's spoken to the Pakistani side, and that too giving more space and drawing ire of the BJP. saying this is criticizing India in a Pakistani platform. And yes, this has now spelled into a new war of words. This has set the ball rolling, and this is not going to stop right here. They're going to have a more ugly exchange of words between the Congress party and the BJP on this.
Absolutely, Kamalji. Thank you very much for joining us with those details there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.